Chicago cops stopped a woman they suspected to be drunk after she crashed into two parked cars. The woman identified herself to cops as an elected Democratic official, but would be anything but cooperative with cops during this arrest.
Are you all right? Do you need an ambulance or anything? Okay. Do you need an ambulance or anything? Let's walk to your car because I don't want you to get hit by a car, okay?
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, I see that's your car. Here, ma'am, right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Okay, can you start off with your driver's license, please?
Sure.
Why don't you have a seat in your car, man? Why don't you have a seat in your car?
Okay.
Let's start off with your driver's license and your proof of insurance, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, he wants a driver's license and a proof
Who's this?
of my attorney.
Your who? Your attorney? All right, you can call him in a little bit because right now everything's recording audio and video, okay? But you're involved in a traffic accident. I'd like to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance.
Ask him.
Okay, he's not driving, dear.
Just hang up, Samantha, and I'll be there. Tell him I'm on my way.
Yes.
He's on his way.
Yes. He said you'll be on your way. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's start off with your driver's license and your
I'll wait for
insurance.
him.
I know, ma'am, but I need to see your driver's license to verify you're okay to be driving. And number two, your insurance. So we can start the paperwork. There's some damage done to your car.
I'll wait for him.
May I tell you that everything's being audio and
I know.
videotaped, okay?
I'm just saying I'll wait for
I'm
my friend.
requesting your driver's license and your proof of insurance. I'm sure you can provide me with those two things while we're waiting for your attorney to show
I'll
up.
wait for him.
Okay, but we don't have to wait for him. I need
I
to see
need to wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. You don't need to make this any more complicated than it already is. It's just an accident. I just need to see your driver's
Fine.
license.
I'll wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. Do you want me to handcuff you and arrest you?
No.
Because right now, at this point, you're refusing to provide me any.
I am.
You are. You realize that, right?
Yes. I'm an elected official.
You're what?
I don't want any of this.
Well, ma'am,
I'll
you're
wait
involved
for
in an
him.
accident. You've hit several cars.
Two.
So, yeah, I need to see your driver's
Because
license so I can
someone
start the paperwork.
pulled out in front of me and I...
So, okay, great. I'll ask you that in a second. But I really need to verify this is your car?
No, it's my friend's car.
It's your friend's car. Okay. Do you have a valid driver's
I
license?
do.
Okay, great.
And I have insurance.
How about an ID?
I do.
Okay, can I see some of those so I can know
I'll
who
wait
you
for
are?
my attorney.
Okay. I'm trying to I'm just trying to work with
I
you
know.
here. But you're not providing me your driver's license and insurance.
Nope.
And why are we waiting for your attorney for?
This is my friend.
He's your friend. Okay, but he wasn't here in the car.
Nope.
Okay, you want to give him a call?
He's coming.
Okay. You want to give him a call so I can talk to him?
You want to talk to him?
Yeah, please.
Officer wants to talk to you.
Okay.
This is Officer Fernandez from the 20th District. Oops.
Hey, officer.
How are you? Your client here.
I'm fine.
Your client here was involved in an
Yeah, I know.
accident. How far are you? Hello?
Like 25 minutes.
Okay, I need to see her driver's license and her proof of insurance. And she's understanding that she doesn't have to provide that to me until you arrive. Can you advise your client
That is not true.
that...
I would be happy to advise her what the law is.
Okay, please, can you advise her so I could get this paperwork started?
I will.
Great, thank you.
Absolutely,
Now you listen
officer.
to
I'm
him?
sorry about that.
Yeah, I know it's on the side.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, so go ahead. It is by state law. You have to give him your driver's license and your insurance
Great,
information.
that's great
You
advice.
can then start the paperwork. That is exactly what you should do, and I'll be there in about 25 minutes to give further advice. That's all you're required to do. Your name and your driver's license and insurance.
Great, thank
Give
you.
him that. That is.
And you said this is not your car, right?
No, it's my
Do
friend's
you happen
car.
you happen to know if he has insurance?
He does.
Can you go look in the glove compartment for me?
It's a fancy car. I don't
Yeah,
know
I
how to
understand.
open it.
I just need to look at see if he's got insurance.
Okay. I don't know how to open the fancy.
You want me to take a look to see if he's got it?
I think that.
Oh, there you go. Great. Yep, that seems to be it. I'll be right back. Stay in your car, okay?
Ma'am, we need you to exit. It's not you telling us we're not taking your word for it. We don't take nobody word for it. We just need you exiting so we know you're good. You just got involved in an accident. It's like
I did, but my friend is coming. If I go outside, I'm not going to be like so secure. And then my friend's coming.
Secure. Everything is on video and audio recorded.
I know.
Yeah.
So can you exit?
I can.
Okay, please do. I'm waiting for you. Ma'am, we know you're good. We heard you, but you need to step out so we can see if you're good.
I'm fine.
Okay, I know you're fine. Just exit the car then.
I don't have to exit the car.
Yes, you do.
No,
We're giving you a lawful order.
You were involved in an accident. You're gonna have to, or we're gonna assist you, make you exit.
I'll wait.
So you better off
I'll
just
wait
exiting.
for my attorney.
Are you going to exit or no? All right, you need to exit.
I will be fine.
She says she knows you. She said you
She does
texted
know
her.
me. She's my friend.
Okay, so exit the vehicle
No,
then.
I'm not leaving the vehicle.
Ma'am, if you don't exit the vehicle, I'm gonna help you to exit, and you don't want that.
You don't want that.
I
I'm
do.
an elected official.
I actually do. Elected official of what?
Cook County.
Cook County. You elected which office? What's your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam who?
Hey, Sarge, is it okay for her friend tells her to walk out, to step out?
No, she's saying she's an elected official
I
of
don't
Cook
want-
County.
I don't want to
Okay.
be on the video.
Oh,
You are on video.
You are on video.
You are
it
on
has
video,
to be on
ma'am.
video. Yes, ma'am.
So you need
I'll
to.
wait for my attorney.
Okay.
Nope, I'm waiting for my attorney.
So she's not exiting. We're gonna have to make her exit, and we do. She is not compliant right now, as you can see.
Does
And she says she's an elected official of something we don't even know.
does she need to be compliant at this moment?
Of course she does. She was
Well, I
involved in
mean,
an
can
accident.
she wait? Can she wait for her attorney?
No.
Well, regardless of
She
the
was
attorney being here
involved
or
in an
not,
accident.
you still
Okay.
have to conduct a field
Even
survival.
if the attorney is here, there's nothing he's gonna tell her. She was involved in an accident, and we're doing our investigation. And obviously, she doesn't want to. Ma'am. Okay, here's the thing. You were involved in an accident, correct? So you're gonna have to exit. If you don't exit, then we're gonna make you exit.
The car.
Can you give her a
Try and
second?
exit.
I think you should do
Give her a
that.
second.
That's all you have to do.
That's the attorney.
Get out
You
of
told
the
her you
car.
have to exit.
I think that's
Okay, you told you to exit.
Cops finally got her to exit the vehicle. This woman is Samantha Steele, who is Board of Review Commissioner for Cook County, the county that houses Chicago. As you'll see, Miss Steele will be spending a lot of time in courtrooms over the coming months.
I'm waiting for him.
Yeah, you gotta come out.
you get out of the car.
I'll exit
I'll
the
be there.
car.
Be careful with traffic, man. Stay right here. Stay right here. We don't want you to go out, get involved in the accident.
Okay.
It's fine.
Now you can hang up the phone, ma'am.
No.
We're still doing our
My
investigation.
attorney.
Okay. Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety tests or no?
No.
Okay.
No,
Are you
wait,
being
wait.
arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. We were waiting for that. Because she just refused. I asked her to do field sobriety tests and she refused. And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. So you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
Yeah.
All right?
I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would wait
5 minutes.
until I get there.
You're not gonna wait. Let's go. You've been transported.
No,
She's not doing the
I'm
field
not
sobriety
going.
test.
I'm
She's
not going.
She's under arrest right
Give her
now.
my purse. Take the
Here,
purse.
here's the purse.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not going.
Okay.
063.
Let's- hold on.
31.
Can you give him
I'm
5
right.
minutes?
I'm not that.
No, we're not giving him any minutes.
I'm just escorting you to the car.
I'm not that mean.
She's not doing the field, so we're not gonna be been
20
drinking. She struck bunch of cars. Okay, she struck bunch of cars. We're taking you in.
Come on, man, let's go.
Have a seat,
Let's see
please.
the car.
Can we just like?
No, we're not. We're gonna sit in the car.
That's why. That's what you got Uber. You got taxi. You could have done all of that.
Okay, have a seat in the car. Let's go have a seat in the car.
Have a seat.
Have a seat in the car.
She's
Let me get on the other side.
Have a seat, miss.
I can't.
She's in. She's
All right,
in.
you got a small wrist.
Give her
No,
a
we
second.
have to.
Give her a
No.
second.
You want to do the field? You want to do the field?
Sam.
We ask you to do it and you say no.
I don't know what you're saying. You guys are so
Like
like.
this is tight.
Oh, I do feel a sobriety test.
All right, do it. All right, come on. Give me a chance. This way. This way.
Three lines, Sam.
Ma'am, we're not mean. You imagine somebody crashed. So you wearing lenses.
Yes.
You wear glasses. You have them on right now.
I've contacts.
Can you see me with that? Can you see me with them? Okay. You
I mean, I cannot
Okay.
see like.
All right. So now, how's your head? You have any injuries? Your
I
head is
hit my
good.
head
You hit your head? When?
when I hit the car.
You want an EMS? You want to call an ambulance?
Yes,
You want us to call an ambulance for you?
that would be good.
Okay. We'll call an ambulance.
But I can I can do the sobriety.
You can do it? You
Yes.
sure? Okay.
No.
So
I want
put
an ambulance.
both feet together like this.
Yes, I would like a good
Okay.
ambulance.
Put both feet together.
I would like an
Can you do it?
ambulance. Yes, I can put both feet together.
Hands together like this. Like just letting you know you're under arrest. So now when we go to the hospital, you're still under arrest.
Okay.
What happened today? What happened? Just what happened?
I don't know. That's you. I was driving.
Okay. Where were you coming from? Where were you coming from?
My friends. Are you?
5020 North on Ashland.
No, I'm just, yeah.
It's fine.
Were you drinking?
No.
No?
No.
Are
Sam,
you,
don't answer any questions according to
Man, if you're going to be
attorney.
interrupted, then probably have it said over
Well,
here.
I'm talking
Because you're
to her
interfering right
attorney.
She's
now
fine.
in an
It's
investigation.
fine.
So,
Oh.
you
You're
just have
the
to
advice
stand.
of her attorney.
so what happened just right now here? I know, but where were you coming from prior to that?
They pulled me out of the car. I don't know.
Okay. Alright. Are you like, did you take any meds today?
No.
No? I just want to see if you're like safe to go home.
I'm
Do
fine
you have to
go
submit like a
home.
few tests for me? Are you willing to do it? It's up to you. I'm not forcing you. It's up to
Well, no.
you. It is what it is. I mean, I smell alcohol, so it is what it is. You're gonna get under arrest for DUI.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
I mean, what do you mean no?
No. Wait for my attorney.
What do you mean no?
Talk to my attorney.
Yes, we're gonna wait here.
No, he could come to the station. He's gonna get under arrest
He's
for.
here. He's parking his car right now.
Just stand up, ma'am.
No.
I'm gonna put down a report that you're refusing field sobriety test.
Yes.
Okay? So I got enough here.
She refused, so
I got enough.
yeah.
But
Once we go to the
station, then you can call.
She said she want to go to the hospital.
You wanna go to the hospital?
No.
What do you mean no? We call an ambulance. We just wasted
You
their
said,
time.
do you want medical attention?
We just wasted their time.
Sir.
Stand
It's
up.
not having your way,
Stand
man.
up.
You asked for an ambulance.
2
You
minutes.
wasted this fine
No.
people.
No.
You just refused them.
I want to see the end.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
She got a very
One
small
second.
wrist.
You're not going anywhere.
Under arrest. Make sure you call. She has very small wrist. Careful.
Oh my God, you guys are.
You drink it. I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
So we're gonna have open alcohol in the car.
You know?
Can I go with you?
Oh, there comes the attorney, saving the day.
She's going to have
Oh,
to
he
go.
coming right now.
Because she hasn't had.
All right, you're gonna go ahead.
No,
You're
I
gonna
need to see my attorney.
That he's
I'm
right
not
there.
moving.
He's right there.
Yeah, no, my attorney.
Sir, she's been placed in custody for driving under the influence of alcohol. She struck a bunch of vehicles right there. And that's her open bottle of wine in the car. So,
I didn't drink it.
Don't say anything.
yeah, listen to him.
Has she been Mirandized? Is she
No,
under arrest?
no, we're not Mirandizing her or nothing.
I get
She
it.
refused the field, so
it.
now we're
I
gonna
know how
take
it
her.
works.
She's gonna go to an ambulance, and then they're gonna go with her. And we still gotta do. How many cars did she crash into? Apartment? 2 cars. Her car is undrivable, so we have to tow it from the scene. You want to talk to the EMTs? All right,
Yes.
I got my stuff
over there, please. Thank you, Sam.
Miss Steele was taken to hospital and formally arrested. The police report states that Miss Steele repeatedly mocked the arresting officer regarding the size of his penis. She was charged with 1 count of DUI, and as part of these charges, her license was suspended for up to 1 year awaiting her court date. However, just 1 month later, Samantha was able to successfully have her license reinstated. After her lawyers found an error in the officer's paperwork, the judge ruled that her license could be reinstated. More legal trouble followed Steele shortly after, as Fox 32 reports Cook County taxpayers are set to pay $180,000 as part of a settlement involving a wrongful termination lawsuit specifically against Miss Steele. The ex-employee bringing the lawsuit against Miss Steele alleges she pressured him to leak confidential information. When he refused and reported the issue, he alleges she retaliated by terminating his employment. If this settlement is reached, no parties will be forced to accept fault. Finally, Miss Steele will be back in court in March to face her DUI charge. For a first-time offense similar to what Steele is facing, typical penalties might include jail time up to a maximum of 364 days, fines of a few $1,000s, a license suspension, or additional measures such as mandatory participation in alcohol education programs, probation, community service, and other rehabilitative conditions may also be imposed. Make sure you subscribe and I'll update this case